So the one thing that annoys me most about having a MacBook is you get these like finger marks on the screen and it just annoys you so much. As you can see, there's so many finger marks now. I'm just going to try this and see if this by itself actually works before actually getting a proper cleaning kit. Can we do it with just this? Let's test it out. So, let's see. It'll also be nice to clean this keyboard too, like figure out how to clean the keyboard too. But this is just a basic test to see, is this method gonna work? Interesting. I think it just requires like a thin cloth. I'm gonna try a different material after this. Alright, not actually too bad to be honest with you. Like, in terms of the result, there's still obvious marks, but it's a lot better than what we had. There's these marks over here as well. So let's try something else and see if it works. Let's just like do something like that. Alright, so I'm going to be annoying and do a paper towel and just see what the result from a paper towel is. Let's just see. This shouldn't scratch the screen because I'm not gonna put pressure on the screen. I'm literally just gonna do some basic tests over here and just see. To be honest, it's not doing anything. I really do think you need like this material or something a bit slimmer. To be honest with you, I am giving it a go. A genuine go. I'm not putting too much pressure on, but I just don't think the paper towel thing works. You need this sort of material, to be honest with you. Alright, so I wanted to show you with a different screen because I've already cleaned the MacBook screen. I might as well try a different screen with a different material. So right now we have one of these thinner materials. Let's see if it actually works. This is probably the most popular material as well. The thin sort of material as well for computer screens, and sometimes people will put the spray on and stuff, but we're just gonna do a base wipe, and I think this really is the answer. It's doing a really good job, guys. I can't believe I tested out paper towels before. How funny is that? But at least we're experimenting and we're finding our own results with our own experimentations. Wow, this is, as you can see, this side, no marks. I think this is the way to go, guys. Really is. These definitely do work, and we see firsthand. Beautiful. Wow, this is awesome. That's my current keyboard as well. It's a little bit dirty, so might as well give this a go. If you guys can figure out how to get rid of these marks and these spillages, that would be useful for me. But to be honest with you, through experimentation, this is the way to go. This is the way to go. And there's two different materials on both sides. So you got this sort of flatter material, and then you got this one as well, which is more of a different material. So that definitely works, guys. And sometimes just put a bit of spray. The computer screen spray will probably also help with this. So it's good to do our own tests and results too.